Hi, my name is Desiree with WTI, and check out this chair from MONKISS. This is a toddler chair, super cute chair. Now what I like about it is that it is tall, so she's not sitting on her floor as she grows. I also like that it's a cute little bunny, look at it, and it's super soft. But not only is it a chair, you can also convert it into a nice little sleeping pad for them, or just a little cute area for them to hang out in. The padding as well is super thick, and it's like a foam, like a memory foam. It even feels like super soft. Even I can sit on it and you don't have to worry about it being squished to the floor. It still gives me really good support. And my toddler and my 8-year-old love to sometimes just lounge in this little chair and watch their tablets. So if you're looking to add a space where your kids can sit in the living room and not necessarily on the couch, this would be such a great addition. Also, it would be super fun in a little reading nook because it's a great height. They have the chair and the bed to get comfortable, but that's just my point of view.